What's going on, everybody? Logan here for a quick little video. I'm only making this video just because I didn't know that Discount Tire offered this, but they do free patches and like they'll pull a nail and patch it for free. I caught a nail on my tire yesterday, and the place that I usually take it to, they close early on Fridays, so I was just calling around the local shops just to see how much they charge. There was one shop charged $20, one charged $15, called Discount Tire, and they said for free. Now for free, I thought that was kind of weird. I thought maybe there was taxes or something on top of it, but no, it was literally free. I showed up at 5:45, 15 minutes before they closed. I was in and out in 15 minutes. They were real nice. They didn't give me kind of flack about showing up so late, but not only did they pull the nail and patch it, they took the tire off the wheel. They actually drilled a hole around where the nail was in, and they properly patched it. But I was just kind of impressed that they did all that for free, where, other shops, they'll just pull the nail and put a plug in for 20 or 15 to 20 bucks. So I thought it was really cool, Discount Tire, but I can guarantee you that next time I need tires, I'm going discount. Then even after they finished the patch, Danny, the guy who did my tire, he didn't even let me touch the tire just because it had that grease on it. He took it to my car, put it in my trunk. So big shout out to Danny. Thank you. But that is it for this video. I just wanted to let y'all know that Discount Tire offers this promotion. I'm actually about to go see Ford versus Ferrari with my girlfriend over here. And actually, she has a YouTube. I'm put her down in the description. I've been in a couple of her videos. Olivia. And actually, I'm gonna be doing a video tomorrow about how the movie was, because this is a lot of car guys are interested in the movie, so I'm gonna be doing a review of that tomorrow. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe, and as always, have a great day.
No!